Why mobile apps? In today's market, virtually everything from purchasing to trading to payment can be performed on mobile devices using apps. In 2014, the revenue from this outstanding technology is expected to climb to $58 billion. That is a lot of income and profit generated using apps. Just take a look at the following facts. 80% of time on mobile phones is spent inside mobile apps. The average customer actively uses 6.5 apps throughout a 30-day period. The average time spent per day on apps is 94 minutes, 22 minutes less than on the web. 87% of app downloaders have used deal-of-the-day websites. 80% of consumers indicate that downloading an app meant they were receptive to receiving texts from the business. 78% of smartphone users access a retail site via a mobile app. 44% of tablet users access a retail site via a mobile app. Advertising is now the most popular revenue model for apps. 70% of users have 10-plus apps. 29% of users have 30-plus apps. 60% of users download 5 new apps a month. 72% of consumers have a more positive view of a company if they have a customer service app. Mobile commerce will reach almost $40 billion by the end of the year. If you offer store mode, customer engagement increases 5-fold. 2 out of 3 app users say they use them every day. 24% of the U.S. population uses apps regularly. 61% of mobile and tablet users conduct local business searches on apps. As of October of 2013, more than 60 billion mobile apps had been downloaded. It is beneficial for any business to develop and promote an app to promote their business, generate leads, and increase traffic. This results in your business reaping some of the huge estimated revenue. And when you consider that mobile searches have grown nearly 400% in the last year alone, you can see the advantage your business can attain by having an app. Today, 71% of people with smartphones conduct mobile searches and use 12 to 25 apps on a regular basis. Amazing reach. A mobile app can allow you to reach more customers than a traditional website. And with an app specifically designed for your business, customers will have instant access to you. The app can showcase your services and products, and if you keep your app active and updated, your customers will keep coming back to see the latest offer. With an app, you can also feature certain products or services and rotate these features periodically, giving your customers a new and interesting experience every time they click. A mobile app can also help you with customer support. A mobile app is a great way to offer instant support and access. In addition to enhancing the way you support your customers, an app can tell you how customers are using your products and services, giving you information that will help you decide what to offer next, what improvements need to be made, and which direction your customers seem to be going. This data will also provide you with information that you can use to develop business strategies. Customers have increased confidence in a business that has apps available. In addition, local customers are more likely to engage in your business if you have an effective mobile app to help them do business with you. Unimaginable ways to do business. An app gets the word out by specifying the details of your business in an efficient, at-your-fingertips way. The app itself is an advertisement for your business. When your app is designed with the ability to receive contact information and make use of the mobile device's features, then you can add to your database of potential customers and contacts. When you design that app to allow people to obtain a tentative quote, then you can collect data and contact information that can be used when sending offers in other ways, such as email. If your business provides a particular service, then an app can be a means of demonstrating that service and its quality. For example, if you own an insulation business, you can use photos or videos to demonstrate your service in action, showing the quality of your product and include testimonials. All in all, there are many reasons that having a mobile app for your business can improve your business by increasing traffic, generating leads, improving customer support, and showing off what your organization has to offer.